Hello everyone, your tech enthusiast here, and today I will guide you through some major changes in the Windows 11 build 22160. So there is an important reminder from Microsoft. So if you are in developer channel of Windows 11, now it would be the right time to consider switching to the beta channel. So if you want to stay on more stabilized builds of Windows 11. So actually Microsoft decided to separate these two builds, developer channel and beta channel of Windows 11. So if you actually want to be on more stable builds of Windows 11, you should be in the beta channel, and if you want to have the brand new features first, you will have to be in developer channel of Windows 11. So Microsoft also decided to release brand new ISOs of Windows 11. So these are the first Windows 11 ISOs from Microsoft. So they actually decided to release these ISOs. Let me show you right now. As you can see right here, if we select edition right here on the Windows Insider download page, you can select Windows Developer channel and also beta channel Windows Insider preview builds to download. They are also previous builds, so 132 builds. But if you know Windows, now it will be the right time to actually clean install Windows 11. For example, if you clean install beta channel of Windows 11, it will be actually good for you because you will be able to install Windows 11 stable version when it comes out in somewhere in October. So I think if that now is the right time to clean install Windows 11 beta channel. So yeah, this is it for this one. So if you continue with the new Windows 11 clock app, actually they decided to release brand new clock app with new OS design, and also Windows 11 changes with the rounded corners and everything. So they also began releasing updates for apps that come included as part of Windows 11. So the first set of updates included the new snipping tool, updates for the calculator and mail and calendar apps. So now they are continuing to push the update to the clock app, and as you can see, we have brand new start focus sessions, and you can also connect Spotify account to the clock app right now, and it will help you to say, for example, if you are learning for 30 minutes, you will have also this ready set focus, and you will start focus session, for example, for 30 minutes, and now then you will have 5-minute break. So they also decided if you are clean installing Windows 11, you will go through the new Windows 11 setup experience. For example, let me show you right now this image right here. So this is the brand new feedback that community gave to Microsoft. Actually, they decided when you are first setting up Windows 11, you will be able to rename your computer. So if you want to clean install Windows 11, you will be greeted with this prompt or image, so you will be able to rename your computer at the OOBE. So I think this is quite nice and also really good. So if you go right here to the chat from Microsoft Teams, they also experience is localized for English US only, so additional languages and locals forthcoming. And when you make an outgoing call, then you might not hear a ringtone, so the user interface shows that the call is getting connected. So in a video call, sometimes people videos freeze or display a black image. There is a workaround to this issue, which is to pin the video that freezes and unpin it to fix the problem. So they also fixed some issues regarding to switching between the calls. So the previous call is not automatically put on hold, so the audio and video streams continue on both calls. So be sure to complete a call before taking another. So I think this is really great stuff from Microsoft, and they decided to bring these brand new builds to another new level. So I think this is it, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you are actually clean installing your Windows 11 on your main machine. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, and also like this video for the algorithm, and let me know in the comments down below, as I said already, if you are upgrading or clean installing your Windows 11 build on your main machine. And with that being said, thank you all again for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Peace.